Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fuelly, MPG and Service Tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fuelly is a comprehensive car management app designed to help vehicle owners track fuel efficiency, log maintenance, and manage service records. Users can record fuel ups, calculate miles per gallon, MPG, track expenses, and set reminders for upcoming maintenance. The app also provides detailed analytics and reports to help optimize vehicle performance, making it ideal for individuals managing one or multiple vehicles. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Fuelly's straightforward interface and the convenience of having all fuel and service data in one place. The tracking tools help monitor fuel consumption trends, identify cost-saving opportunities, and ensure timely maintenance. For fleet owners or multiple car households, the ability to manage several vehicles from a single account is highly useful. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that advanced reporting and deeper analytics are limited compared to specialized automotive software. Occasional syncing issues or manual data entry may also require extra attention. While the app offers a free version, full access to premium features, additional reporting, and ad-free use requires a subscription, which may be expensive for casual users. In summary, the Fuelly app may be worth using if you want to easily track fuel consumption, maintain vehicles on schedule, and monitor performance trends without complex software. However, if you need advanced analytics or prefer completely free solutions, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.